But here's the thing. Most people waste money on camping gear they barely use because they buy the wrong products. Today's list is different. We've researched some of the most innovative, practical, and highly rated outdoor cooking gadgets available on Amazon that can completely transform the way you cook outside. Whether you're a camper, overlander, RV traveler, BBQ enthusiast, tailgater, or simply love cooking in your backyard, these gadgets are designed to save time, improve flavor, and make outdoor cooking easier than ever. And trust me, our number one pick is a serious game changer that outdoor chefs absolutely love. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews. And let's jump into the top 12 outdoor cooking gadgets on Amazon you need in 2026. Number 12, Portable Folding Camp Kitchen Station. Let's start with something that instantly upgrades your campsite. Instead of balancing your stove on a picnic table or cooking on the ground, this folding kitchen station gives you a complete outdoor workspace. It unfolds in minutes and usually includes a heat-resistant countertop, side tables, shelves, storage compartments, utensil hooks, and even a windscreen. Many models are built from lightweight aluminum, making them easy to carry while still supporting heavy cookware. This gadget keeps everything organized from spices and cutting boards to pots and pans. Pros: large cooking space, easy setup. Lightweight, organized storage, perfect for camping. Cons: slightly bulky for backpacking. Needs level ground. Number 11, Rechargeable Portable Blender. Fresh smoothies in the wilderness. Absolutely. Modern rechargeable blenders can crush fruit, ice, protein powder, and soft vegetables without needing a power outlet. Most charge through USB-C and provide multiple blending cycles on a single charge. Perfect for making smoothies, shakes, pancake batter, sauces, and even baby food during camping trips. The self-cleaning function makes cleanup incredibly simple. Pros and cons. Pros: cordless, lightweight, USB rechargeable. Easy cleaning, multi-purpose. Cons: small capacity. Not ideal for heavy ice blending. Number 10, Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven. Nothing impresses campers more than fresh pizza. Portable pizza ovens can reach temperatures over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, producing restaurant-style pizzas in just a couple of minutes. Many models support wood pellets, charcoal, or propane depending on your preference. Besides pizza, they're fantastic for steaks, vegetables, seafood, and artisan bread. Pros: extremely fast cooking, high temperatures, amazing flavor, great versatility. Cons: learning curve. Requires fuel. Number 9, Digital Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Guessing when your meat is done usually leads to disappointment. A Bluetooth meat thermometer removes all the guesswork. Insert the probe, monitor temperatures from your smartphone, and receive alerts the moment your food reaches perfection. Ideal for brisket, ribs, steak, turkey, chicken, pork, and smoked meats. Pros: accurate cooking, wireless monitoring, smartphone alerts, great battery life. Cons: app setup required. Number 8, Portable Smokeless Charcoal Grill. Love charcoal flavor but hate smoke. Modern smokeless grills use advanced airflow systems to reduce smoke while maintaining authentic BBQ flavor. Many models heat up quickly and use very little charcoal. Excellent for balconies, patios, beaches, and campsites. Pros: less smoke, fast heating, compact. Excellent flavor. Cons: smaller cooking surface. Number 7, Collapsible Fire Pit Grill. This gadget turns almost any safe outdoor location into a cooking station. It folds flat for transport, yet supports heavy cookware, grills, skillets, and Dutch ovens. The stainless steel construction handles high heat while remaining surprisingly portable. Perfect for campers who enjoy cooking over real wood fires. Pros: compact, durable, easy transport. Multiple cooking styles. Cons: firewood required. Number 6, Portable Coffee Maker. Every camper knows one thing. Good mornings start with good coffee. Portable coffee makers allow you to brew rich espresso or classic coffee almost anywhere. Most require only hot water and ground coffee, making them lightweight and reliable. Ideal for camping, hiking, road trips, and RV adventures. Pros: rich coffee, compact, no electricity needed, easy cleaning. Cons: small serving size. Number 5, Multifunction Camping Cooking Set. Buying cookware separately gets expensive. A complete camping cooking kit includes pots, frying pans, bowls, utensils, cutting boards, cups, spatulas, and storage bags, all designed to nest together for easy transport. Many feature non-stick coatings and lightweight aluminum construction, perfect for families and group camping. Pros: complete kit, space-saving, lightweight, budget-friendly. Cons: small cookware sizes. Number 4. Rechargeable Electric BBQ Fan. Getting charcoal started can be frustrating. An electric BBQ fan solves that problem by forcing controlled airflow directly into the fire. This dramatically speeds up ignition while reducing the effort required. Many units are USB rechargeable and fit easily inside your camping bag. Pros: starts fires quickly. Rechargeable, lightweight, saves time. Cons: needs charging. Number 3. Portable ice maker. Fresh ice while camping. Yes, it's possible. Portable ice makers can produce fresh ice in just minutes when connected to electricity through an RV, portable power station, or generator. Ideal for cold drinks, seafood, meat storage, and outdoor parties. Pros: fast ice production, easy operation, compact. Great for RV camping. Cons: requires power source. Number 2. Vacuum insulated food jar. Keeping meals hot for hours makes outdoor adventures much more enjoyable. A premium insulated food jar maintains soup, chili, pasta, rice, or stew at serving temperature for extended periods. It also keeps cold foods chilled during summer trips. Leak-proof construction makes transportation worry-free. Pros: excellent insulation, leak-proof, durable, great for meal prep. Cons: limited capacity. Number 1. Portable flat-top griddle grill. Our number 1 pick combines versatility, convenience, and incredible cooking performance. A portable flat-top griddle gives you a huge cooking surface capable of preparing pancakes, burgers, bacon, eggs, vegetables, stir-fry, steaks, seafood, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, and much more, all at the same time. Most feature powerful propane burners, even heat distribution, grease management systems, and quick ignition. Whether you're camping, tailgating, hosting backyard parties, or traveling in an RV, this single gadget can replace several cooking appliances. It's easy to clean, highly durable, and built for years of outdoor adventures. If you're only buying one outdoor cooking gadget this year, this should definitely be at the top of your list. Pros: extremely versatile, large cooking area, fast heating, professional results, easy maintenance. Cons: heavier than compact grills, uses propane. So, which of these outdoor cooking gadgets would you take on your next adventure? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget reviews and Amazon buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.